I am Dwayne Gayer. I will be explaining the next 4 pages of the consultant software. We're looking at the report, which explains the condition of the property on the day of the inspection. Note the information at the top is already filled in from the opening page. The bottom is a place to make additional notes you feel help clarify items. Boxes 1 through 7 at the top must be completed for the work write-up to be complete, as they explain the condition and existence of standard items. Note the red check marks in the yellow backgrounds of selected items. Type the letter A in the box to make one of these check marks. Items 8 through 20, items that require additional inspections by experts in the field marked. These items need to be completed and given to the consultant so he can include them in his work write-up. The next page is the recap of subtotals. This page gives a quick glance at the category and totals. Be sure to have your transparent signature so you only have to sign the pages when you save your master copy and save the workbook. The transparent background is just a picture of your signature with no background. The consultant's identity of interest certification is the next page. You need to include this in your work write-up. It is already filled out by the software. Your signature needs to go at the bottom, and you can do your transparent signature. The last page in this video will explain how to insert a photo into the work write-up. At the top of the page, click the Insert button. Move to the folder where your photos for this work write-up are kept. Select one of the photos, then place it on the page until it is full. Should the lender desire more pictures, you can email them. I usually had 30 to 40 pictures